Hello students, let's start today's topic with revision. Then what are pathogen? Disease causing microbes are called pathogen. It means disease causing microbes means they may be bacteria, maybe protozoan, viruses, these all are called pathogen. What are antibodies? Antibodies are the substance our body produces to fight disease causing microbes. Is it okay? Antibodies are the substance those produced by our body to fight the disease causing microbes. Now, what do you mean by the vaccine? I have already explained to you. Now it's the revision only. Then vaccines are the weak or the dead disease causing microbes. They are injected in the body to trigger the production of the antibodies, to start the production of the antibodies. And these antibodies remain in the body for long time to protect it against any attack of the disease causing microbes. Whenever any microbe enters in the body, of which we have already taken the vaccine, then the antibodies are already produced in the body. That's why those antibody will attack on the disease causing microbe and kill it. The next is define the term vaccination. Then what is a vaccination? It means the process of protecting the body from the pathogen with the help of vaccine are called vaccination. Is it okay? Now see next. Next term is fermentation. This is the new term for you, fermentation. What is a fermentation? Yeast. I told you about yeast earlier also. It is used in the bakeries and in the beverage industries and so on. Then the process which is performed by the yeast is called fermentation. Now see, what is fermentation? Fermentation is the process by which the yeast converts sugar into alcohol. In the fermentation process, the process by which sugar is converted into the alcohol, the process is called fermentation. It is done with the help of the yeast. Is it okay? Then this process was first discovered by the Louis Pasteur in 1857. 57. Then once again, what is a fermentation? Fermentation is the process by which the yeast converts sugar into the alcohol. And first this was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. Now next, what is the use of the yeast in baking industries and in commercial production of alcohol? Then see, yeast is used in the baking industry to make the breads, pastries, cakes, etc. And they also help in the fermentation. It produces rapidly, it reproduces rapidly, it increases its number rapidly and produces a carbon dioxide during the respiration. Due to that carbon dioxide, the bubbles are of that gas is produced, fill in space in the dough and increase its volume. Next is, what is the use of yeast in the baking industries? Now, yeast is used in the baking industries to make the breads, pastry, cakes, etc. because it helps in the fermentation. It reproduces rapidly and produces a carbon dioxide during the respiration, and bubbles of the carbon dioxide gas which is produced that fill the space in the dough and it increase the volume. Now see, when we are suppose we are going to make the bread, then what we have to do, we have to take the flour, then we will mix some yeast in it, then with the help of the water we will make the dough. The size of the dough will be small, but after some time it will increase in the volume. Why it increase in the volume? Due to the production of the carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas, it fills inside the dough and it increase the volume. Now you will keep this you will make the shape of the bread, then you will keep it into the oven. When you will keep it into the oven, then what will happen? To the high temperature, carbon dioxide is a gas and it will escape out. Then alcohol formed during this process, that will also evaporate. due to the low boiling point of the alcohol is low, that's why it will evaporate. And next, the yeast, due to the high temperature, it will also be killed. Then after baking it, then the bread is ready to cut into the slices, and you can see the slices, so many spaces will be inside that slices. Those are due to the filling of the carbon dioxide at the time of the dough. Okay, now next is, what is the use of yeast in the commercial production of the alcohol? In this process also fermentation takes place, and fermentation process is increased by the yeast. Yeast do the fermentation, and due to the fermentation, the sugar which is present into the fruits, fruit juices, grains, rice, wheat and barley, that converts into the alcohol. Now see, we have to take the grape juice or any fruit juice, then wheat, barley and rice juice, then mix some yeast in it, then keep it for some days, then it will be converted into the alcohol.